y'all. Reacting to Dungeons and Dragons Honor Among Thieves. This is a movie that's gonna come out next year. I have zero clue what it's about. I just know that there's people gonna be recognized. It's got one of the Chris's in it, Chris Pine. Michelle Rodriguez is in it. That's all I know. That's all I know going into this, watching this trailer. No idea what's gonna happen. I didn't even know that there's gonna be a Dungeons and Dragons movie. Is this a sequel to something? Hold on. Dungeons Dragons movies. No, it's not a sequel to anything. It just wait, hold on. Oh, there was a film. Oh, there was a film in 2000. Was this thing good? I doubt it. But they made 3 of them. Oh, wow, okay. Maybe I'll watch those one day. Maybe not. I've never played the game. I've never played the game. I just heard about it in mainstream culture. I have an idea of what it's played like and all that, but I never played it, so just gonna go into this. So yeah, let's get into it.
Here's the thing. We're a team of thieves.
Okay.
And when you do this, you're bound to make enemies. Sometimes
Regé-Jean
come looking for revenge.
What? Is that black fire? What is that? Like acid? Oil? Oh, maybe it's oil.
Truth be told, we helped the wrong person steal the wrong thing. We didn't mean to unleash the greatest evil the world has ever known. But we're gonna fix it.
Yeah, it happens.
Pull that off.
No one's perfect.
Figure it out over a drink?
Probably best.
Sounds good.
To give us a fighting chance, we're gonna need strength. You got this, right?
I know you don't.
We also need courage, magic, and you. What is that again? It's an owl bear.
Oh, shapeshifter.
Be warned.
Ooh, this
There
is
is
cool.
evil here.
I'm glad he's on our side.
Is that Elizabeth? Why does that look like Elizabeth?
This one's dangerous.
Oh, Hugh Grant.
But whatever happens, we'll be ready.
Alright.
What is it exactly that you bring to this?
I'm a planner. I make plans.
You've already made the plan, so
If the existing plan fails, I make a new plan.
you
Yeah.
make plans that fail.
No,
He also plays the lute.
not relevant.
The loot's gonna be relevant. Okay, cool. Okay, so that was Dungeons and Dragons Honor Among Thieves official trailer. The movie's out next year, 2023. It looks fun. I hope it's fun, because you know sometimes these things, the trailer is misleading. I hope this trailer is not misleading. I hope it's actually fun. It doesn't look like, definitely doesn't look like it's gonna be a serious movie. It's gonna be fantasy, like funny. You know, maybe a little bit of action, maybe a lot of lore. So I appreciate that aspect they're taking of it. They're not gonna be trying to be like super serious. if the trailer's any good representation of what the actual movie's gonna be like. What is it? What is there to say other than it looks fun, a good cast, Michelle Rodriguez, the people organized. Hold on, let me look up who's in this thing. Dungeons and Dragons movie. Who's in this movie? Cast. Right, so we have Chris Pine, Hugh Grant, Regé-Jean Page, Michelle Rodriguez, people I recognize. Oh, Ansel Elgort's in this. Really? I didn't recognize him. I didn't notice him. Anyone else that I would know? No, not anyone else. Oh no. Alright, so I'm not expecting a lot for this. Movies based on games don't have a great track record. Though that this isn't like a regular movie based on a game. It's on a board game. So I don't know if it's translate. Oh, other ones I've tried to go this route. They've like tried to be like fun and all that, and it's not worked. But have I heard of this director before? Who's the director? John Francis Daly, Jonathan Goldstein. What have they done? Filmography. Oh, they worked together a lot before. Who's the director of? Oh, Game Night, Vacation. Okay, so I see what kind of movies he's done before. They've done these director team has done before. Oh, they wrote Horrible Bosses 2. Oh, they were writers in Spider-Man. He was a writer in Spider-Man Homecoming. Game Night. Okay, alright, so I see what they are like. I see what they do. Okay, I like Horrible Bosses. I did not watch. I don't think I watched Horrible Bosses 2. Game Night, I think I watched that. It wasn't a great movie, but I see. But so I think it gives me an idea of what. They bring to it. Oh wait, this is the director. He's the guy who played Sam in Freaks and Geeks. Okay, was that wait, Sam was the lead character, right? Yeah, cause Linda Caroline was his sister. Okay, yeah, okay, cool. He's still doing his thing. Nice for him. But yeah, so I've seen one of the movies. Was he the writer of? I haven't seen. I think Vacation. I think I've seen that. I'm not sure if I've seen it. But yeah, it's okay. So the directors have a track record. They are not newbies. So hoping for the best. Yeah, hoping for the best. I'm not expecting a great movie. I'm hoping for just a good experience. Nothing that it should be anything that wins anything except like a technical award. Shouldn't win like any acting awards or anything like that. That's fine as long as you give me a good time. I have never played Dungeons and Dragons, so I have no link to caring about what they do with it. So just give me a good time and I'm fine with it. John and John. Wait. Oh, they're both named John. They're both John. Okay, alright, cool. Yeah, so Johns, do your best. That's my wish to you. That's what I hope to see when I see this movie next year. Alright? I don't know when next year is coming out. Is there a date? No, it doesn't matter because Not gonna see. It's not gonna be. It's a whole year. It's like maybe months away. So whatever. Not worried right now. But yeah. So that's it. Those are my thoughts on that trailer. It's a good trailer. It just give a 1,000 trailer. It's a good trailer. It's enticing me to want to watch this thing. So don't let me down. Alright? Later. Bye.